You need the best possible scuba diving mask to ensure crystal clear visibility and a comfortable underwater experience, enhancing both your safety and enjoyment beneath the waves. In this video, we will be looking at the top 5 scuba diving masks available on the market today, and we'll tell you which one is best for you. We made this list based on our own opinions, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best scuba diving masks. The 5th product on this list is the Proshot Tidal Mask. Struggling to find a diving mask that remains crystal clear and fog-free even at the surface? Look no further, as this cutting-edge technology has revolutionized the game. It offers a broader field of vision and keeps water at bay from all angles. Featuring advanced anti-fog technology and a fully tempered glass lens for superior clarity and fog-free experiences, this low-volume design boasts 2 windows for the maximum field of view and a snug silicone skirt for a secure seal. What's more, it retains the high-quality anti-fog lens you've come to love, but introduces a revolutionary low-volume design that opens up wide-angle and peripheral vision. This versatile dive mask is perfect for all water activities, including scuba diving, snorkeling, free diving, and swimming, with easy-to-adjust buckles ensuring a perfect fit every time. This mask stands out as one of the finest choices. Embrace this one-of-a-kind design for safety and enjoyment in all water adventures, because being underwater should feel just as comfortable as being on land. Its pros are: its special lens technology helps you see underwater by reducing fogging, it has a 2-way head strap that is adjustable to fit easily, and it has high-quality silicone to fit all face shapes and sizes for maximum comfort. However, the mask itself is very wide, so even with adjustment, it may not be suitable for those with narrow faces. The Proshot Tidal Mask is made of the highest quality materials and features a wide vision lens and comfortable adjustable buckles. It is a great option for any water enthusiast, whether you are a novice or pro. Up next in 4th place is the Cressi Calibro. Are you in search of a mask that ensures crystal clear underwater vision while diving? Look no further, because this mask is tailored just for you. Designed with an exceptionally hydrodynamic and compact shape, it features the exclusive fog stop system and integrated buckles for a robust, durable, and easily adjustable fit. This unique fog stop system guarantees a pristine view under all conditions, while the matte coating finish prevents underwater reflections, providing an unobstructed look at the marine life around you. Furthermore, the patented integrated dual frame technology played a pivotal role in creating this exceptional mask, seamlessly integrating the frame into the buckles through a robust yet flexible rubber attachment. The rigid frame, crafted from high-quality silicone, ensures both comfort and durability thanks to the superior materials that allow for an optimal fit. With its wide lens, you'll enjoy a panoramic view of your underwater surroundings. If you seek a high-quality mask that's lightweight and perfect for extended dives, your search ends here. Its pros are: its low-volume design makes it easy to clear water out of the mask, it has an anti-fog membrane that closes the nose from the rest of the mask, and it prevents leaks by creating an extremely hydrodynamic, compact shape, lessening drag on your descent and ascent. However, it has the opposite con of the previous product, in that it is pretty small and therefore won't fit divers with wider faces very comfortably. The Cressi Calibro has an ergonomic fit, meaning this mask is comfortable and easy to put on. You can count on it whether you're exploring the depths or just snorkeling around in calm waters. Still haven't found a scuba diving mask that meets your needs? Well, keep watching, because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. The 3rd product on this list is the Apeks VX1. Are you in search of a diving mask that combines comfort with a sleek, uncomplicated design? Look no further, because this mask is a serious diver's dream come true. Its robust construction ensures the ultimate in wearing ease, allowing you to unwind while exploring the depths. What sets this mask apart are the 2 incredible lens options it offers. The original and highly acclaimed fisheye lens provides a whopping 180-degree field of view, while the new wide-angle lens enhances peripheral vision on the surface, with a focus on comfort, user-friendliness, and exceptional visibility. This mask is designed to make your underwater experience unforgettable. But there's more to discover. This 100% silicone mask is incredibly lightweight and frameless, offering unparalleled comfort and dryness even at depths of up to 135 feet. The stainless steel buckles are not only easy to adjust but also incredibly durable, ensuring easy cleaning and maintenance even after extensive use. In summary, this dive mask is here to redefine how you experience the underwater world, providing the ideal combination of comfort, simplicity, and superb visibility for the serious diver in you. Its pros are: it has fewer pinching pressure points during long-duration dives. Its UV protective lens ensures you don't experience eye damage from the sun reflecting off the water, and it's a single-lens dive mask with a silicone skirt seal that makes it far easier to get on and off. However, strangely, the design of its quick-release buckle actually makes it quite difficult to change the mask strap. The Apeks VX1 is the ultimate in comfort and durability. It features an ultra-lightweight frameless design and two incredible lens options that eliminate every obstacle to a perfect dive. The second product on this list is the ScubaPro Synergy 2. Are you struggling with pressure equalization and getting a secure seal? If so, this diving mask could be your solution. This mask introduces a groundbreaking combination of two straps and buckles that can be adjusted for peak performance in any water sport. Its TrueFit technology design employs two skirts to create a comfortable and watertight seal. The main skirt is crafted from a thin and soft silicone material for an impeccable fit, while the outer skirt offers the necessary support and rigidity. Furthermore, it's equipped with a rotating buckle featuring a unique ribbed texture and works seamlessly with a micro-adjustable strap to ensure a perfect fit for your face. Crafted with ultra-clear glass, this mask is available in multiple sizes, catering to divers of all ages and skill levels, making it an ideal choice for anyone seeking a comfortable and secure diving experience. Its pros are: it's constructed from a high-quality silicone rubber that is hypoallergenic and skin-friendly. It has an adjustable strap to make sure it fits snugly around your head, and it has a mirrored coating so you can see underwater without worrying about fogging up your lens or having glare from sunlight. However, it tends to press where the nose meets the upper part of the mouth a little too much, which can become uncomfortable after a while. The ScubaPro Synergy 2 gives you a clear view of what lies beyond the surface. It creates an exquisite seal without too much bulk and comes in a range of colors to suit your style. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, the top scuba diving mask is the TUSA M2001 Paragon. Prepare to claim the best scuba diving masks on the market today, suitable for serious divers, snorkelers, and swimmers alike. It's the ultimate all-in-one diving solution, boasting a multi-mode, dual-lens design, and every feature you'd expect from a top-tier mask. The polycarbonate frame ensures exceptional durability, while the oversized double-lens treatment, anti-reflective coating, and crystal view optical glass guarantee unrivaled visibility at depths exceeding 100 feet. What truly sets this mask apart is its patented Freedom technology, enabling a super streamlined design that minimizes water resistance, allowing you to glide effortlessly through your favorite aquatic environment. Furthermore, the tri-mix frame and multi-layer skirt provide a secure and fog-free fit. The UV 420 lens treatment, complete with an anti-reflective coating and crystal view optical glass, ensures peak performance. Thanks to the angle strap adjuster with a side hold, you'll enjoy both security and comfort throughout your dive. And if you're in search of the perfect fit, the innovative slide system allows for easy strap tension and position adjustments, ensuring a natural and secure fit every time. Overall, this mask isn't just about providing an exceptional fit, it's about keeping you in perfect harmony with the water, allowing for ultimate freedom of movement. Dive confidently knowing that your head and water are in perfect sync. Its pros are: its UV 420 treatment means it protects your eyes and face against harmful high-energy visible light. It has anti-reflective lenses which decrease internal and external light reflection to have a better view. It's constructed from crystal view glass, which provides superior clarity, and it has a soft silicone skirt that offers ergonomic all-day comfort. However, its field of view is not as expansive as others on this list. The TUSA M2001 Paragon offers comfort without pressure points on your face during long, deep dives. It has exceptional clarity and is molded into the lens with a dual-tempered design for strength. If you want a reliable mask for your future scuba dives, this is the way to go. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.